Everyone wants something more from life, more peace, more strength, more control. But most people feel lost because they chase too many things at once. Stoicism teaches us a calm truth. You do not need to control the world. You only need to control yourself. When you understand this, life becomes lighter. You stop running after noise and start walking toward purpose. This lesson is not loud. It is quiet and strong. And it can change how you think, act, and live every day. You cannot get what you want if you do not clearly know what you want. Many people feel unhappy because their desires are confused. Stoicism reminds us to slow down and look inside. Ask yourself what truly matters to you, not what others expect from you. When you know your goal, your mind becomes calm. You stop wasting energy on things that do not serve you. Life becomes simpler. You start saying no to useless stress. You start choosing with care. A clear desire gives direction to your actions. Without clarity, effort feels heavy. With clarity, effort feels meaningful. Stoic thinkers believe that desire should be guided by reason, not by impulse, not by fear. When you choose your goal wisely, you protect your peace. You stop chasing approval. You stop comparing. You move forward with quiet confidence. Knowing what you want is not about greed. It is about alignment. When your goal matches your values, you feel stable. Even setbacks feel lighter because you know where you are going. And that knowledge alone gives strength. Once your goal is clear, your focus becomes your greatest power. Stoicism teaches that attention is limited. Where you place it decides your future. If your mind is always scattered, progress becomes slow. Focus means giving your full presence to one path at a time, not reacting to every noise, not changing direction because of doubt. When you focus, you stop wasting energy. You stop arguing with things you cannot control. You move step by step with patience. A focused mind is calm. It does not panic. It does not rush. It simply continues. Stoic wisdom says do what is in front of you with full effort. Forget the outcome for now. Forget praise and blame. Focus on the task. When your focus stays strong, discipline feels natural. You no longer need motivation from outside. Your purpose becomes enough. Focus also protects you from fear. Fear grows when the mind jumps too far ahead. Focus keeps you grounded in the present, and the present is where all action happens. Emotions are part of being human. Stoicism does not ask you to suppress them. It asks you to understand them. When emotions control your actions, life becomes unstable. Anger leads to regret. Fear leads to hesitation. Desire leads to disappointment. Stoic thinking teaches you to pause before reacting, to observe your feelings instead of obeying them. When you feel upset, you breathe. You remind yourself that emotions pass. They are visitors, not leaders. Control does not mean force. It means awareness. When you understand why you feel something, you gain power over it. This makes you strong in difficult moments. Calm in chaos, clear under pressure. When you control your emotions, other people cannot control you. Insults lose power. Failure feels temporary. Success feels balanced. You stop swinging between extremes. Life becomes steady. This inner balance allows you to move forward without being shaken by every event. Emotional control is quiet strength, and it grows with practice. Big goals are reached through small actions. Stoicism values daily effort over sudden bursts of motivation. You do not need to change everything at once. You only need to show up today. Each small action builds character. Each effort strengthens discipline. When you act daily, progress becomes inevitable. Even when results are not visible, growth is happening inside you. Stoics believe that action shapes identity. You become what you repeatedly do. Waiting for perfect conditions is a trap. Today is enough. One step is enough. Daily action also builds trust with yourself. When you keep promises to yourself, confidence grows. You stop doubting your ability. You stop quitting early. Action creates momentum. Momentum creates belief. Belief creates results. Even on hard days, doing something small keeps you moving. Stoicism teaches that effort is within your control. Results are not, so focus on effort. That is where freedom lives. Patience is one of the hardest lessons, but it is also one of the most powerful. Stoicism teaches that time cannot be rushed. Nature moves at its own pace, so should you. When you expect fast results, frustration grows. When you accept slow progress, peace follows. Patience allows you to stay calm during delays. It helps you endure discomfort without quitting. Stoic thinkers believe that endurance builds strength. Every challenge trains your mind. Waiting is not weakness, it is preparation. When you remain patient, you avoid desperate decisions. You avoid shortcuts that lead nowhere. You trust the process, you trust yourself. Patience also protects your joy. You stop tying happiness to outcomes. You learn to appreciate effort itself. This makes the journey lighter, and when results finally come, they feel earned, not rushed. Patience is silent confidence in motion. Stoicism places great value on self-improvement, not to impress others, but to live with dignity. Every day is a chance to become a better version of yourself. Better does not mean perfect. It means more aware, more disciplined, more kind. Stoic wisdom teaches that character is the only true possession. Skills can be lost. Status can fade, but character stays. Improving yourself means refining your thoughts, choosing calm over anger, choosing reason over impulse, choosing effort over excuses. When you work on yourself, life feels more stable. External chaos matters less. You become your own foundation. Self-improvement is not loud. It happens quietly through habits, through reflection, through learning from mistakes. Stoicism teaches that mistakes are teachers, not punishments. When you improve yourself, you gain inner freedom. And inner freedom is the highest success. Distractions are everywhere. Stoicism warns us about giving attention to things that do not matter. When you chase noise, you lose clarity. When you react to everything, you lose control. Ignoring distractions is not about isolation. It is about intention. You choose what deserves your energy. You protect your focus. You protect your time. Stoic thinkers believe that most suffering comes from unnecessary attachment. Letting go of distractions brings peace. You stop worrying about opinions. You stop chasing trends. You focus on your path. This creates strength. When distractions fade, discipline grows. Your actions become deliberate. Your mind becomes quiet. And in that quiet, purpose becomes clear. Consistency is the quiet engine of success. Stoicism values steady effort over dramatic action. Doing a little every day creates massive change over time. Consistency removes the need for motivation. It becomes habit. Habit becomes identity. When you stay consistent, doubt loses power. You stop asking if you can succeed. You simply continue. Stoicism teaches that virtue is practiced daily, not occasionally. Missing a day does not mean failure. Quitting does. Consistency builds resilience. It teaches you to keep going even when enthusiasm fades. This is where real growth happens, not in excitement, but in commitment. Belief in yourself is essential. Stoicism teaches that confidence should come from character, not ego. When you trust your values, fear weakens. You stop seeking approval. You stop doubting your worth. Self-belief grows through action, through discipline, through integrity. When your actions align with your values, confidence becomes natural. You know who you are. You know what you stand for. This inner belief keeps you steady in success and failure. It helps you stand alone if needed. Stoic thinkers believe that self-respect is the foundation of strength. When you believe in yourself, external validation becomes optional. Giving up is the only true failure. Stoicism teaches endurance. Life will test you. Pain is part of growth. Quitting removes the chance to grow stronger. When you refuse to give up, obstacles become lessons. Each challenge builds resilience. Stoic wisdom reminds us that struggle shapes character. Even when progress feels slow, persistence matters. You are stronger than you think. Every step forward counts. Keep going, stay steady. The path may be hard, but your strength grows with every step.